If we have an equation to solve that involves parentheses, we will use distributive law to remove the parentheses first, then combine like terms on each side and continue to a solution. This problem can be rewritten with an equivalent expression of 2x plus a negative 1 times the quantity 3 minus x is equal to 7x minus 1. There is a coefficient of 1 understood, and using the rule or definition of subtraction, minus is the same as plus the negative of that quantity. Now it looks like something that we can use the distributive law on to simplify, which means we will distribute that multiplication over the terms in the parenthesis, resulting in a negative 1 times 3, which is a negative 3. A negative times a negative is a positive. 1 times x is x, which has eliminated our parenthesis. Next, we will want to combine like terms, and on the left side we do have similar terms. 2x and 1 more make 3x with the negative 3. Next, we have one more step as far as combining our terms. We have variables on both sides of the equation. We'll use the addition property to put like terms on one side. One possibility would be to subtract a 3x from each side. Likewise, we could have subtracted a 7x from each side. 3x's cancel out, leaving the negative 3. 7x minus 3x is 4x with the minus 1. Now we're down to working our way backwards through the order of operations to get to the variable. Undo this subtraction with addition by adding 1 to both sides. Negative 3 plus 1 is a negative 2. 4x minus 1 plus 1 leaves 4x. And last, to undo multiplication, divide both sides by 4, resulting in a negative 1/2 if we reduce that fraction with the common factor of 2 in the numerator and the denominator. 4 divided by 4 is 1 times x is x for our solution.